Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hey everybody, I'm here with another video. If you like my videos, just like and subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell if you want more content. I'm here to do the unboxing of my Morakniv Garberg. This is a regular Garberg, not the Grand. The Grand is a little bit longer. It's a new version. This new version of Garberg, I haven't been able to, well, I can find the knife, but a lot of times it's sold out. I haven't been able to grab me one yet. Hopefully soon, but as soon as I do, I will do a review on it as well. I'm just doing the unboxing. So this is Morakniv, the Garberg. This is the multi-mount series. You can see, made in Sweden. It's got that Swedish steel, high carbon, about 62% carbon on this blade. Has different mount types. You have molly mounts, Velcro. There's a bunch of different things in here, but let's get into it. Let's open the box. I had to kind of pop the box open earlier to get into it. I am wearing cut resistant gloves just to be safe. Stuff all this out. All right, this is what comes in the box. You got your Velcro straps. So more knife on there. These are so you can strap your knife onto your molly mounts on your bag, things like that. We have this. This is your belt. This is your belt loop. Oh, belt loop here. Your belt goes through here and you put the knife in through here. So this is where you can carry it. This is your polycarbon sheath for your knife, your Morakniv. And I have yet been able to get this to stretch far enough to snap, but it will snap, so you can be secured. I just have to work with it some more. Of course, it is brand new. I did have to get it out of the box once to look at it, to see what I had in there, and to make sure everything was in there before I did the video. So that's why the box is kind of open too. But yeah, Velcro, molly mount, belt loop, belt carry, and the knife. This is the Morakniv. Like I said, this is the regular Morakniv. It's got the black coating on here to help it with rust resistance and corrosion, that sort of thing, because it is very high carbon steel. 62% steel, 62% carbon steel. Sorry, that is full tang. You guys probably already know that. The blade length, we have a 4.3 inch blade length from point to handle, and then overall the length of the whole knife is 9 inches in length from point to the end here. So 8.5 ounces in weight, so very light. Again, full tang, multi-mount system. It says use with a fire starter. It does. You can buy the fire starter and everything with it. I have not, because I already have ferro rod, and I can just grab the ferro rod, just pretend this is the ferro rod, and strike it and cause, make a fire. So, and you can also use the spine of the knife to shave off, do wood shavings for your fire. Let's see, I got some wood here. Show you, just take your wood, shave the back of it off. That's the Morakniv, the Garberg, the regular Garberg. That is the unboxing of my Garberg. Remember, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll make more content. I'm going to get out here again pretty soon and do some outdoor stuff with the knife, show some things with it, how you can use it. Maybe start a fire, get my hopefully I'll get my ferro rod out and maybe we can start a fire. Pretty easy with this knife. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good Thanksgiving.